Bitcoin live analysis, August 2nd, around 2022, around 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm sharing with you how I'm learning to set up my zones for scalp and swing trading. If you're interested in finding out how you can set up your own zones like I'm doing, I'm just sharing with you how I'm doing the best I can with it. And if you're interested in finding out about the system, the information is inside the description of the video. You can call me, contact me, send me a smoke signal, whatever you want to do. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to get a sound check. And then I'm going to share with you how I'm setting up my zones and how you can set it up too. Okay, there you go. Information is inside the description of the video. Oops. Okay, do have sound. Good. Okay. So this is Bitcoin. And let's see here. Here is Ethereum, brand new chart, okay? And I'm just going to set it up from scratch. Right away, you can see that the Academy automatically gives us a break and close above this area here. So they're pretty much calling this, saying that if we break and close above this bar here, could be an opportunity that the price is going to go longer. Okay, that's the opportunity, but it could change. Sometimes it goes back and forth until it really gets a big drop. So we want to follow every move really close. We're going to change candles to a line chart, and I'm going to set up. I'm just going to do it, and then if you have any questions, let me know. I'm looking for point touches of the line. Green, fatten it up. See how touches right there. This is pretty good. Let's see here. Like that any better? I'm gonna go with that for now. If you really spread it out, you can see that there's quite a bit of touches right there. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna. So that was the top one. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see here. Resistance. Now I'm setting up a support structure. Okay, I'm gonna call it there for now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Save the work. Bitcoin Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Save. All right, I'm going to add in our favorite indicator, Super Trend. The Super Trend is your friend. And believe me, once you get to know Super Trend, you'll be feeling like Super Trend is your friend too, because it gives us a lot of information. I'm going to change the settings on it though. When you get your Super Trend, you just change the settings to 1.1 because Sean said so. And that's what makes it work best. I'm going to save it. I'm going to add in my chart. Not chart, but let's see, form. Where's my other form? The last time I used the form was right there. I'm going to copy this form. I'm going to reuse it on a brand new chart. I'm going to add, clicking T for text. Delete, Control V. Change the blue to black. Okay, now I have a form that we can use. So I'm going to change, update my form numbers now with the new one. So I'm going to go 23369, 3369. After this, I'm going to be confirming my numbers with the professional, Sean, and then I'll do an update, a video short, 23469. Okay. The support zone is going to be 22774 minus 100, 22674. I'm going to Control A, Control C. Boom. Okay. I'm going to. I'm not going to set up my alerts yet, but I'm going to show you how we do it. Basically, use TradingView to set up alerts. So when we break above and below our zones, we'll get notified. But I want to confirm my numbers before I get too far. I don't think he might not be on yet. Let's see here. I'm gonna say hello to everybody from he's coming. He's gonna be going live soon. I'm gonna get off this. I'm gonna get off my video and jump onto his. There are educators. Okay. So what I'm doing ahead of time is I'm getting my zones and then I'm going to compare them with his zones. And then I'll update them and I'll do a video a 15-second video updating the zones if you're interested to follow. And this is what we trade off of. So if it breaks above the green, trading going long. If it breaks below the red and closes, going short, possibly. I mean, those are options. Doesn't mean we got to do that. Okay. So that's Bitcoin right there. Now let's go to Ethereum. I'm going to change from a candle chart to a line chart. Going to look for my points, my touch points. I like that one quite a bit. Maybe. Okay. I'm going to change this to green. Okay. Now I'm going to look for no. Yeah, okay. Not hating it. Okay. But I got a feeling it's going to change. Let's see. Getting it close. Okay. All right. And here. Okay. Not hating it too bad. Okay. I'll double check it with his, and like I said, I'll upload a short with the updated zones. So the green is going to be my resistance, the red's my support. I'm going to go back and grab a form here. Control C for copy. I'm using this form. This is my old chart I was working off of. This is my new one. So I'm going to first I'm going to go ahead and save it, just in case. Don't want to lose our work. Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, this is when it was created. Let's go ahead and add the text form. Delete, Control V. I'm going to update my excuse me, going to update my numbers to, okay, so resistance zone is going to be 1668 plus 5 is going to be 1673. And the red's going to be 1611. Minus 5 is going to be 1607. Yes. Okay. All right. So I'll go ahead and, well, I'll Control A, Control C. Okay, so now we got our zones. I'm going to go ahead and start the form. I'm not going to set the notifications till I confirm it. Let's see here with Sean's. Okay. Okay, so there's the, okay. All right, so there's Ethereum. Now I'm going to add in the super trend, because believe me, super trend is unique to the IM Academy. And super trend will definitely be your friend, is what we say, because it tells us when the market is buying and when it's selling. And it's really, I've seen a lot of different indicators. I've never seen one quite like this. And it's just very helpful, very helpful. Okay. All right. Okay, so there it is right now. It's technically on the 15 minutes. It's buying, although it's kind of indecisive, right? So we're kind of in the zone right now. So when it breaks out above the green or below the red and closes, that's when we'll consider taking a trade. Doesn't mean going to take a trade, but that's when we'll consider taking a trade. All right, he's hopping on. Let's see here. All right, so he's got his music going. He's getting ready to start. This is our, I'll just really quick, I'll show you the back office of the Academy. Click Go Live. If you're in the Academy, you just click the Go Live. You're going to click DCX. There's different academies. We're in the Digital Assets Academy. This is what our schedule looks like. We have over 200 different educators teaching how to make the most out of digital assets. And there's a lot of different ways. Sean is teaching us one way using the Swipe Coin Scalper. Today is live Swipe Coin Scalper Tuesday. So that's what this is right here. All right. I'd like to stream it sometime, but I'm not sure if that's okay. I got to ask him. And so he's getting ready to stream, and he's getting ready to teach us how to use the Swipe Coin. He teaches us how to use this tool, what I just went through and did in about 10 minutes. I mean, it's, you know, and then we can do our other, you know, we don't have to be glued to the computer when we're trading like this because of his particular strategy. So if you're interested in the community, if you're interested in trading along with other people that are like-minded, please let me know. The details to the Academy's inside the description of the video. If you know what you want, you just want to go ahead and join, click the Academy and go to DCX Academy. It's DCX Academy. Just a heads up, if you refer 2 people, your membership is free. If you refer more than 2 people, they'll pay you a commission. So that's why I'm blabbing on about it, because I do believe in it, and there's a commission to sharing it, and it's so helpful. There's so much. Sometimes you ever heard the phrase, you don't know what you don't know. So that's what I believe is, there's so many things in there that I don't even know that I don't even know. And we're just going to be learning, you know, we're going to be learning. Look at all the topics that we have. These are all this is available to us every week, Sunday through Saturday live. You get to interact with the instructors. And then also too, they have some basic stuff you can go through to just get oriented to what exchange trading is all about, leverage trading is all about. You can really learn and then go inside these live trainings and really get something out of it. So I'm getting ready to go live with Sean. I'm going to be checking my zones. These are these are the zones that I came up with, just what I'm learning. This is what I ended up coming with, and we'll see how it plays out. All right, we'll see how it plays out. It may I may be updating them, so we'll see how it goes, right? We'll see how it goes. We're just learning, doing the best we can with what we got. All right, so this is Ethereum. Take a screenshot of that if you want. And this is Bitcoin. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a smoke signal. Send me a message. Give me a call. Let's connect about it. And remember, this is what I like to share with you, that health is wealth. Without our health, we don't have anything, right? So consider this: health is wealth, cash flow is king. We used to say cash is king. Now my mentor has taught me that cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Think about that. Health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. All right, see you on the next lesson. Bye for